Hey team, it's Daniel again with the Brazos Boars and Varmits. So, this is Out of Focus, my Pulsar Core RXQ30V and a half G whiz bang, other extra syllables and numbers and other things. It's the Pulsar Core. This is the entry level $2,000 ish, depending on sales and yada yada, thermal scope. Had this thing for a couple of years now. I bought it secondhand, actually, from somebody on one of these Facebook groups who had it about 3 years before I had it. And this thing has been a workhorse. It's been a rock star. The reason I bought it was because I had my main thermal that I had been using for everything, but I wanted a second one to use as a scanner or also to use for a buddy. And so that way we can both run and gun and get on these hogs and both enjoy all this rather than just one shooter. So I bought this and I'm very glad I did. Super happy that I did. But I screwed up. I left this thing in the truck and it got hot because it's Texas, right? Well, after I turned it back on again, in the bottom of the screen, it was all smudgy. I mean, you wanted to take your shirt and try to rub it and try to clean it, but it wasn't on the outside, it was on the inside. Now, I just dealt with it because the crosshairs were fine. It didn't really affect anything else other than just the bottom lines of that screen. They were just smudgy. It made the image not fun to look at, and so I just dealt with it. Plus, it was the backup scope, and I didn't really use it that much. But now that I'm out for a little while because of this rehabilitation from the car wreck, this seems like a perfect time to go ahead and send this thing off to Pulsar to get this fixed. So I do have to admit, let me back up. So this is actually going to be a Pulsar customer support review. Now, I do have to admit that this took me a little bit of time to get directed to the right person to go to. I emailed one group. They said, you need to email this other group. They said, you need to email these other people. But after that, I mean, literally 1, 2, and the third one, those were the right people to get a hold of. So that seemed a little bit odd. But once I got in contact with that person, everything was very quick. They were very responsive. And they asked me a couple of questions. They said, are you the original owner with a receipt? No. Is it less than 3 years old from the sale? No. I bought it secondhand. It's like 5 years old now. I said, okay, it's out of warranty. Sorry, bud. Okay, so I emailed them back. So, well, can I at least just send it in? Y'all take a look at it. Let me know what you think, how much it's going to cost to get fixed, and then we'll go from there. They said, sure, mail it to us. Here's the address, and here's a return authorization number. And they actually gave me a shipping label. Awesome. So I mailed it to them, and after about 3 business days of it being there, I got an email saying, here's your tracking number. Great, because I'm thinking that they probably said it's totaled, like it's going to cost $3,000 to get fixed, and it's not worth that much, so we're just going to mail it back to you. So I called them back, and I said, hey, here's my RA number. Can you look this up, tell me what's going on? They said, yeah, we fixed it, and here's your tracking number again. Whoa, you fixed it? What happened? And they said, yeah, you had some melted plastic in the housing, so we took all that off, threw all new stuff on there, and it's already on your way back. But I didn't give you a credit card number or nothing. And they, no, it's fixed. That is customer service. That is Pulsar. That is what people are looking for. I was out of the year date. I wasn't the original owner. I didn't even meet the actual requirements, even if it was within the time frame. They didn't care. They fixed it. And no, I'm not a dealer. I'm not pro staff. I didn't call them and say, hey, I'm Daniel with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits, and I'm really important, and I got this YouTube channel, and yada, yada, yada. Because I'm not important. I'm just a regular dude. And They fixed it. They took care of me. They did what I really wish more companies would do, is say, when we put our name on it, we're going to fix it. So I can't guarantee that your results are going to be the exact same as mine, but I can tell you that their customer service is amazing. I am super happy, super thrilled. I know a lot of people get worried about customer service, and the back and the forth and the ye and the ha, and some companies are not good with customer service at all. But that is not Pulsar. Every time I've ever had an interaction with Pulsar customer service, amazing, beautiful, wonderful. So glad I have their product in my hands. I have competitors' products as well, and some of them have been great too. Others not so much. Pulsar, top notch. You guys are awesome. Thank you.